Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale, as we this is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá ti gbẹnu tán báyìí o. Rotimi Daniel tún ti bínú jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Adebayo àti Asabe Afrika àti gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ. Ó ní Asabe Afrika ó lọ mú fọ́tò òun ó fi ń promote àwọn ìwà àbàjẹ́ kan tí òun ò lọ́wọ́ sí, àná ó ní òun ti pe bàbá Adebayo jáde lórí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan pé òun dí bàbá Adebayo pé tán bá dí àwọn òun máa ń léṣe nǹkan rẹpẹtẹ gan tẹ́nibọ̀dì nílé dúró de. Ó ní tó bá yẹ pé bàbá Tibetan lòun ṣe program ẹ̀ ni, ó ní Asabe Afrika kíá á ti gbé program yìí á ti ṣe, ó wá ní lọ́wọ́ yìí òun dí anybody pé kán dí àwọn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí òun rẹ́dí àti ṣe 10. ẹ wò ẹ̀yin tèmi, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá ti kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan, ẹ jẹ́ a gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé lẹ́nu Rotimi Daniel àti gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó sọ, ẹ jẹ́ a jọ gbọ́.
Hello everybody. In this assignment of making sure that no matter what happens, that at least there is hope of a better tomorrow for our children. We all have seen, most especially in this year alone, that politics, because of who we have allowed to be in positions, and also in religions, because of those that we have elevated to be in positions of authority. These two sectors are our greatest enemies and our greatest sources of downfall. And that is why since 2018, I have been adamant in this assignment of making people realize that there is no hope as far as we carry religion on our head. And this, my brother, Asabe Afrika TV, that so many of you know, in the business of putting pastors in limelight. Although in time past, he has done for some dignitaries, but nowadays it's majorly pastors or prophets that he goes about to put in limelight. And many of you remember when he was with Prophet MKO Tibetan, and now I don't know what happened between them. It is none of my business. He is now with Prophet Adebayo, who I won't call a prophet in this video, because we must call a spade a spade. I will only reference him as Mr. Adebayo. And that is why you are seeing his own picture too. So about a few days ago, I noticed that Asabe actually made a video, and using my picture. And so some of you went under that video to call me different names. You even threatened that you were giving me a short time, that I will die, I will do this, I will do that. While few people were also there, they were asking Asabe Afrika TV that what Rotimi Daniel is saying about religion, about pastors, with all the evidences he brings out, with calling them out, are distinct lies. And I am happy that in that video, Asabe Afrika TV was actually quoting the Bible. But Asabe Afrika TV is so hypocritical in nature. He is caricature. He is alatenuje. He didn't go back into the Old Testament to make reference to how the Bible claims that we can know a fake prophet. How many prophecies has he conducted the interview on Mr. Adebayo? And those prophecies have come to be or not. Let Asabe Afrika TV bring out those evidences of the prophecies that have come to be of Mr. Adebayo. But that is not where I am going now. I am very sure that if I had posted anything against MKO Tibetan, this Asabe would have been on that video to hype me, to praise me. And that is the problem of Nigeria. It is where we feel it's convenient for us that we want to support whatever is happening there, even if it is hurting the other people. We don't support the truth. And as I always claim that we deserve worse than what is happening to us today. But for me not to talk too much, this is my submission in this video. Asabe, Adebayo, and whatever the arm of CAC that Mr. Adebayo belongs to or came out from, I dare you people, Mr. Adebayo, I dare you, I am saying it again, all of you that went on that post to antagonize, to abuse, to threaten me with your useless gods because of an entity who you don't know at all. Help me share this video. I am saying it again. You know, it is the issue of almost 2 million naira that made me to get in touch with Adebayo, that he didn't respond and he has not responded to date. And now that Asabe TV has done a video for me, I dare Asabe TV to make a video of Adebayo in which I am expecting Adebayo to dare me, call me a bastard if I don't bring out what I have on him. Dare me so that I will have these evidences to submit in court that you dared me and I did what you dared me on. You learn how to table a matter. You don't learn how to fight. You can see my face. I am not fooling around. I dare Mr. Adebayo again to tell me that I am a bastard if I don't bring out what I have on him. So that at the end of the day, it will not turn to his own family issue. They will go and sort it out in their home. Jeje minimojoko. I don't go out to search for information. People come to me. The person who came to me, I didn't go to the person. The person came to me to lodge his or her experiences with Adebayo. So I am daring you now to dare me and press the wrong button if I don't unleash failure for you Asabe TV to tell Shegu to dare me. It means all of you are toothless dogs. All of you are looking for easy source of money. If you say Shegu Adebayo gave you, for example, maybe he gives you a car, he gives you money and everything, does your conscience tell you to ask him, if it doesn't work, what is the source of his income? You are a learned entity, Asabe. You are the least expected that will be promoting laziness all in the name of religious figures in the societies. Go and get a better job to do. But I say it again, Shegu Adebayo, dare me. Push the wrong button. You boast when you are so sure of the charms you are carrying. I won't say much more than that. Failure to do so. All of you that went there without knowing what I know, to say, God, we should do this, God will do that. Ìrandíran yín ò ní jẹ́ èèyàn láyé. Gbogbo bọ́n ṣe ń fi religion báyé wa jẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà. Ayé àwọn ọmọ yín máa rí rúdurùdu jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ẹ̀yin wèrè olóṣì olórí burúkú. If I were to be doing this for money, I would have collected, accepted what they offered me in 2024, and I would have kept quiet. But one tori oja non jale yin kule ohun. I don't expect you ladies to even understand, because it is part of this money they use in running you girls. You lazy buffoons. Nonsense.